Welcome back for another Fetch AI price prediction analysis video, and on this video I will be discussing the short-term and also the long-term price action to expect on the Fetch AI chart for the next coming days. And at the time of this recording, Fetch AI has continued to hold above significant areas of support and has also given us an aggressive move in a move that has now given us a high above the 1.2396 in a move that has continued to obey the Elliot structures. And zooming in on the 4-hour chart to first give you a recap of what has been happening, you can see that back in 2022 we saw this significant low below the 0.0525, and after getting that significant low we saw an aggressive move to the upside in a 5-wave structure, giving us a high above the 0.6154, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this red target area, an area which we fully maximized. Then we started to see a reaction of the target area in a move that started to give us an aggressive pump in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. And in my past videos, I shared with you the minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 1.0612 as the minimum target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized and managed to even shoot even higher, giving us a high above the 1.2396, and there are high chances that we could now have a high in place for this wave 3 to the upper side. And maybe in the next coming days we are going to see a bit of a pullback in what we can now term as the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 4. So in the next coming days I'm expecting a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 4 before we can continue seeing even higher prices in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 5 to the upper side. And before I give you the minimum target areas for that wave 4 to the lower side, I also need to remind you that in case in the next coming hours or maybe days we see another bullish move to the upside in a move that can easily give us a break above this significant high at the 1.2396, flipping it back into support, there are high chances that we can see another aggressive move, having the 1.3 as my next target area to the upper side. But if by any chance we don't see a break above that significant high and maybe we continue seeing lower prices and maybe we also lose significant areas of support, then that will be suggesting that that could be the start of that breakdown move in the formation of that Elliott wave count 4, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the fourth wave between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the 0.8306 and the 0.7031 as our target area. So this is the area within which we can have our breakdown target areas for that breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4. And once we see that breakdown move into my target area over there and we continue holding within the area, maybe see much of a consolidation, I will be expecting another aggressive pump to the upside to start in the formation of this Elliott wave count 5. But if by any chance we don't see a reversal once we see a breakdown move into our golden pocket over here, and maybe we see a breakdown move to the lower side, then that will be suggesting lower prices to the next key areas of support where we can expect them to hold before we can get another reversal to the upside, breaking above significant areas of resistances. So I have given you my breakdown target areas. In case we start to see that breakdown move in the formation of these before, between the 0.8287 and the 0.7 is our breakdown target area. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.